To send crypto via Kraken, start by logging into your Kraken account and navigating to the Funding tab. From here, select the cryptocurrency you wish to send and click on the Withdraw button. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's cryptocurrency address, so make sure you have this information ready. It is crucial to double-check the address for accuracy, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. You will also need to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send, taking into consideration any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits that may apply. Kraken will then ask you to confirm the transaction details, including the address, amount, and any applicable fees. Review this information carefully before proceeding, as fees can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Once you have confirmed the transaction, Kraken will initiate the transfer and it will be processed on the blockchain. The time it takes for the transaction to be confirmed will depend on the specific cryptocurrency and network conditions. To ensure the security of your transaction, make sure to use a strong and unique password, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your computer and browser up to date. It is also essential to be aware of phishing scams and never share your account information or private keys with anyone. In addition, consider setting up a wallet address with a unique label or description to help you keep track of your transactions. Kraken also offers a feature to save frequently used addresses, making it easier to send cryptocurrency in the future. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely and efficiently send cryptocurrency via Kraken. Remember to always prioritize security and accuracy when handling cryptocurrency transactions to avoid any potential issues or losses.